Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove a profile on HBO Max. I opened HBO Max the other day and noticed I had a couple of old profiles I wasn't really using anymore. So I logged into the website and went straight to the homepage where all account controls are located. Then I clicked my profile icon in the top right corner and selected Manage Profiles to view all the profiles linked to my account. And from there, I picked a specific profile I wanted to remove, scrolled down through the settings until I found the delete option, and once I clicked delete profile, it asked for a quick confirmation before removing it completely. And after confirming the action, the profile was instantly deleted from the account, which honestly makes it really easy to clean up and use profiles and keep everything organized without needing any extra steps or support to help. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.